Hello there, students. Good day. Welcome to Surgeon TV. If you are new to this channel, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification button so you'll be updated for our upcoming videos. So in this video, we're going to solve the questions on the diagnostic test. So without further ado, let's get started. Number one, which of the following set of numbers is an examples of sequence? By the way, a sequence is an arrangement of numbers in particular order. So let's have analyze number letter A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you see, this is arrangement of numbers. It is counting numbers that start with 1 and ended with 5. However, letter B start with 2, 4, 8. Okay, in the first three terms, the rule is you add 2. However, after the fourth term, no, from 8 to 16, you add 8. So here plus 2 plus 2. So there is no pattern here. The rule is that you add 2 in the first three terms, but you add 8 in the next or in the fourth term. So this is not a sequence. In letter C, we have 1, 4. So this is 3. 4 plus 9 is 5. 9, 16. 9, 16 is 7. And we got 16 to 27. So there's no pattern here. Okay. However, in letter D, 1, 1, 2, 4, 6. So it's very obvious naman, hindi siya sequence. So the answer for number 1 is a letter A. It's very obvious, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a counting number. So it is a sequence. Number 2, it is a function whose domain includes only the first n positive integers. The choices are A, infinite sequence, B, finite sequence, C, infinite series, D, finite series. So the first n positive integers will start with 1, 2, 3, up to the value of n. So first n positive integers, so meaning to say we can count the number of term. So this is a finite sequence. Number 3, what is the value of the first term of the sequence a sub n equals n minus 1? In this particular problem, let's have the notation for the sequence. And the notation for sequence is given by a sub n, where a sub n is the term and n here is the term number. In this particular problem, we are looking for the first term, all right? Meaning to say that the value of n is equal to 1, and we're looking for the value of a sub 1. We're going to substitute the value of n, which is 1. Here is the solution. A sub 1 is equal to, let's write the problem first. A sub n equals n minus 1. Substitute the value of n, which is 1. A sub 1 is equal to 1 minus 1. And we got a sub 1 is equal to 0. So the answer for this is letter C. Number 4, which of the following numbers is the 8th term of the sequence a sub n equals 2n over 4? The solution for this, the given is n is equal to 8. Now let's substitute to the formula. A sub n is equal to 2n over 4. We got a sub 8 is equal to 2 times 8 over 4. A sub 8 is equal to 2 times 8 is 16 over 4. Therefore, a sub 8 is equal to 4. The answer for this is letter A. Next problem. Using the pattern 3, 3, 1, negative 1, negative 3, what are the next three terms of the sequence? Number 5, Using the pattern 3, 1, -1, -3, what are the next three terms of the sequence? Let's analyze the sequence. We have 3, 1, -1, -3. From 3 to 1, okay, there is a rule that we add -2. Here, from 1 to -1, we also add -2. From -1 to -3, we add -2. So this is the rule. We are adding -2 each terms. Meaning to say from -3 in the next term, we're adding -2. Therefore, -3 plus -2 will gives us -5. So meaning to say the next term is, let's change the color, -5, right? And from -5 plus -2 gives us -7, -7. And from -7 add by -2, the answer is -9, -9. So therefore, the next three terms of the sequence are -5, -7, and -9, and that's letter A. Let's proceed. Number 6. What are the first three terms of the sequence with the nth term? A sub n equals n squared plus 2. The solution for this, we are going to solve for the a sub 1, a sub 2, and the a sub 3. We are going to substitute the value of n, which is 1, 2, and 3. Let's start with a sub 1. So a sub 1 is equal to, the formula is n squared plus 2. Let's substitute the value of n, which is the value of n with 1. 1 squared plus 2 is equal to, 1 squared is 1 plus 2, 3. How about a sub 2? We get 2 squared plus 2, which gives us 2 squared is 4 plus 2, that is 6. And a sub 3 is equal to 3 squared plus 2, which gives us 11. Alright, so the answer for this is letter B. Let's have number 7. What are the next two numbers that will complete the terms of the sequence 16, 21, 26, 31, blank, and blank? Now, let's analyze the problem. We got 16, 21, 26, and 31. As what I've said, in a sequence, there is a rule, right? So from 16 up to 31, this is in ascending order, meaning to say we are adding a positive number here. So from 16 to 21, we are adding plus 5, and from 21 to 26, we're adding plus 5 also. From 26 to 31, we're adding plus 5, meaning to say the next two terms, we're adding 5 to the last term, which is 31. So in this first term after 31, we get 31 plus 5 will gives us 36. So this is 36. And 36 plus 5 is 41. The two terms after 31 is 36 and 41, and that's letter A. Now let's proceed. For item numbers A to 10, given the sequence a sub n equals 3n squared minus 6n plus 2, find the fifth term of the sequence. You say we're going to find a sub 5. All right. So we're going to substitute the value of n, which is 5, equals 3 times 5 squared minus 6 times, okay, I substitute the value of 5 in this formula. 6 times 5 plus 2. We simplify first the number inside the parentheses. So we get 25 minus 30 plus 2 equals 3 times 25 is 75 minus 30 plus 2. 75 minus 30, 45 plus 2. So the final answer is 47. So the answer for this is letter C. Let's have number 9. What term of the sequence is 11? Solution for this, given that a sub n is equal to 11, we're going to find the value of n. Okay, how to do that? Let's substitute the value of a sub n in this formula. All right, we have 11 equals 3n squared minus 6n plus 2. Next is we're going to combine like terms. We're going to transpose 11 to the right side. We have or. Next is we're going to subtract both sides by 11. Okay, we got 11 minus 11 equals 3n squared minus 6n plus 2 minus 11. So this becomes 0 is equal to 3n squared minus 6n minus 9. Since 3 is the common between 3, 6, and 9, we can divide both sides by 3. So we have n squared minus 2n minus 3 equals 0. By using the factoring method, we can factor this out. So we get n minus 3 times n plus 1. And using the zero product property, n sub 1 is equal to 3 and n sub 2 is equal to negative 1. Now, since we are looking for the term number or the value of n, meaning to say that the answer or the number should be positive. So therefore, we just consider n sub 1, which is positive 3. So the answer for this is letter A. Next, the last number. Which of the following numbers is the second term of the sequence? Okay, here's the formula again. We are going to find the second term, meaning to say the a sub 2. So let's substitute the value of 2 in the formula. So we got 3 times 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 2. So 3 times 2 squared is 4 minus 12 plus 2. We have 12 minus 12 plus 2. This becomes 0. What left is positive 2. So the answer is letter B. Thank you so much for listening, and if you have some problem, you can comment down below. These are the solutions on our diagnostic test, and I hope you have some understanding. Thank you so much, and have a good day, everyone.